Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets continuing their confusion, right? In the start, if you see markets opened with a gap up, then kind of started to break out, and then if you see there was sell off, right? Same with Nifty also. If you see Nifty had a very good momentum in the start itself, but if you see, right, Nifty could not hold itself, and Nifty also went into a sell off in the second half of the day, and our targets were just short of so close, right? If you see in Nifty, I had said 350 would be the first target. We were so close, right? Even in Fin Nifty, if you see, right, our target was 19,450, 460. But if you see, Fin Nifty was pretty much not even close to hitting the target, right? Anyways, in Bank Nifty also targets weren't hit, so it's fine. Sometimes in these types of situations where volatility is high, your targets kind of get missed, right, over here. Anyways, what can we do tomorrow is very simple over here, right? Now the thing that needs to be noted over here, first of all, in the daily charts, is that markets should not break this low over here, right? Because a lot of people who have bought over here have kept their stop loss at 42,800, right? Because they would have bought in this day over here in this candle, and they would have kept their stop loss probably at 42,800. So 42,800 on the downside is very important, and on the upside 42,600 is very important. Why? Because if you see, first of all, the market, these two candles are in an inside candle, right? So there's an inside candle formation, and a lot of people who would have shorted the markets had shorted the markets over here, right, and kept their stop losses at 42,600. So two major levels, 42,600 and 42,800 on the downside. These are the two major levels that need to be watched out. Any of these levels, if they break, we can easily see 4 to 500 point momentum in any side, right? If we break on the downside, we can easily see 42,000, not even like 42,500 or any levels. We can easily see 42,000 on the downside, right? So over here, these two levels are very important in Bank Nifty. I'll also talk about Fin Nifty. I'll also talk about Nifty in a while. But yeah, talking about Bank Nifty over here, tomorrow if we open with a gap up, right, and stay below 43,500 for some time, and then if we break out, we can easily expect 43,700 in the day. We can even expect 43,800. So markets need to sustain after opening with a gap up, right? Again, the Bank Nifty is still like 300 points away from 43,500, so 43,500 is still very far away. So yeah, probably if we open with a gap up and just sustain over here, and if we break out on Thursday, then we can expect a very trending expiry, right? So tomorrow, if you open with a gap up and just stay in this range, it's okay. Do not take a trade. We'll get a very good trade on Thursday, right? On the downside, very simple. Below 43,150, 140 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Once we start crossing 43,140, you can easily take take a trade till 43,000. Then we'll need to see how 43,000 reacts, right? Because 43,000 is a round number over here. So maybe markets can go down till 43,000, stay over here for some time, and then start moving up again, right? So 43,000 becomes very important from tomorrow. Again, if you open flat and cross 43,140, you can kind of take a trade over here till 43,000. But yeah, keep your quantity a little bit less over here because things could be volatile, as I say again, right? Again, if we go near 43,000 and start taking support over here, then we can expect a recovery in the coming days in the market. But yeah, if we do not sustain 43,000, then probably we'll slide down till 42,800, which means that markets could see a very good sell-off from here till easily 42,000. Till easily 42,000 in the coming weeks, right? Again, talking about Nifty over here, Nifty also, if you see, went up and then pretty much could not hold itself at higher levels and then went down, right? So over here, very simple in Nifty also, we'll only buy above 18,340 now. Until then, we'll just stay. If we open with a gap up somewhere near 18,300, all these levels, then again, markets could kind of be in a range for tomorrow and then break out on Thursday, right, on the upside. So yeah, above 18,345 is only where we'll go ahead and buy. Before that, we will not take any sort of a trade. If we open flat and start crossing 18,250 to 240, okay, if we start crossing 18,240 just to be safe, we'll then go ahead and take a short position over here till 18,200 on the downside only. Do not go very aggressive over here, because Nifty is still looking a little bit more stronger than Bank Nifty, right? So Nifty definitely is looking more stronger, so do not go and keep very big targets until unless 18,100 is broken, right? So in the daily charts, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean, right? Over here now, a lot of buyers have kept their stop losses at 18,100 over here, if you see, right? Because markets open with a gap up over here, and a lot of people starting making long positions in this candle, right? So they probably would have kept their stop losses at 18,100 now. So only if we go below 18,100 is where we'll short. Before that, we will not think of shorting aggressively, or we'll not think of making bearish trades very aggressively, right? We'll take some bearish trades, but that they will only be with less quantity, because markets still haven't bent. They are showing signs of bearishness, but we need confirmation, and only then we will go ahead and sell aggressively, right, over here. So yeah, tomorrow, as I said, again, if we open the gap down also, we will need to see how things work out for the bulls and the bears. We'll need to see where the market is moving, right? So if we open with a gap down both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we'll just ignore the day. We'll watch for some price action. If after opening with a gap down, we see price action being made below 43,000, then you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade. That would be a very good idea to do in Bank Nifty. So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.